Now we are going to see the third sum. Okay, in exercise 1C. Rationalize the denominator of the following questions. Okay, we need to rationalize the denominator. So first one is 3 by root 5. Root 5 they have given in the denominator. Okay, so we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator with root 5. Okay, the answer will be 3 root 5 by root 5 into root 5. Okay, second one 2 root 3 by root 5. Here also same thing we have to do. We need to multiply with root 5. Then the answer will be 2 root 50 by 5. Then third sum 1 by root 3 minus root 2. Here they have given minus sign. In the denominator they have given minus sign. So we need to take exactly the opposite sign. So we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator with root 3 plus root 2. Okay, so numerator becomes root 3 plus root 2. Denominator becomes, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So root 3 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. Okay, root 3 the whole square will get 3. Root 2 the whole square will get 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. We'll say the next one. Okay, then okay, next sum. Fourth one is 3 by root 5 plus root 2. Okay, here they have given minus sign, plus sign in the denominator. So we need to take the opposite sign, root 5 minus root 2. If we multiply with root 5 minus root 2, then numerator becomes 3 into root 5 minus root 2. Denominator becomes root 5 the whole square minus 2 square, because it is in the a plus b into a minus b form. So a plus b into a minus b, the answer will be a squared minus b squared. Okay, fifth one, 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. In the same way we have to do, we need to take rationalizing the factor should be 2 minus root 3. Okay, here by mistake I have written plus, it is minus 2 minus root 3. Okay, so we'll get 2 minus root 3 the whole square. Then denominator becomes 2 squared minus root 3 the square. Okay, numerator is in the form of a minus b the whole square. So we know the formula, a minus b the whole square is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab by a squared minus b squared. So 2 squared will get 4, root 3 the whole square will get 4 minus 3 1. So the answer will be 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, sixth one, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. We need to rationalize that one. While rationalizing, we'll get the form that numerator becomes root 3 plus 1 the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. and down as usual. It is in the form of a squared minus b squared. So final answer will be 2 plus root 3. Then seventh sum is also same thing. We need to do. We have to take the exact opposite sign. So we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator with root 3 minus root 2. So the answer will be 5 minus 2 root 6. Then next one, eighth sum. The sum is root 6 minus root 5 by root 6 plus root 5. So we need to multiply with root 6 minus root 5. So numerator becomes root 6 minus root 5 the whole square. Okay. Denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a squared minus b squared. We applied that one. A minus b the whole square. The formula is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So the final answer will be 11 minus 2 root 30. Ninth sum, they have given 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So we have to, the rationalizing factor should be 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Okay, the answer will be 19 plus 6 root 10. Then fourth sum we'll see, find the values of a plus a and b in each of the following. Okay, first they have given the sum 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So as usual, we need to rationalize this one. So while after rationalizing, we'll get 7 plus 4 root 3. It is in the exact in the form of a plus b root 3. So a is equal to 7, b is equal to 4. The next sum also in the same way we have to do. Okay. So here a is minus 4 by 3 and b is 11 by 3. Just here actually we got the answer 11 minus 4 root 7 by 3. Just we need to split it and write it. 11 by 3 minus 4 root 7 by 3. So a is equal to minus 4 by 3. B is equal to 11 by 3. Third sum 3 by root 3 minus root 2. So a root 3 minus b root 2. First we need to rationalize. We'll get 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 3 because already it has been given minus. The next one also in the same way we need to do. Okay. So what we'll get, a is equal to 43 by 7, b is equal to 30 by 7. The next one, fifth sum is simplify. Okay, 22 by, first sum is 22 by 2 root 3 plus 1 plus 17 by 2 root 3 minus 1. So here, before doing the addition, we need to rationalize the terms. Okay, so what we need to do? 22 by 2 root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3 minus 1. I'm telling here, okay, 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3 minus 1. Okay, like that for 17 by 2 root 3 minus 1 they have given. No, that term should get multiplied with 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 3 plus 1. So the answer what we will get as 78 root 3 minus 5 by 11. Okay. Second sum is uh, root 2 by root 6 minus root 2 minus root 3 by root 6 plus root 2. So we need to rationalize each term. Okay. Then after that we need to do the subtraction. So the answer will be 2 root 3 plus 2 minus 3 root 2 plus root 6 by 4. And this is the sixth one. If x is equal to root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 plus 2 and y is equal to root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2, we need to find x square, then y squared, then xy, then x squared plus y squared plus xy. So x they have given. We need to rationalize that one. For that we have to take opposite sign. That root 5 minus 2. Yeah, we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the root 5 minus 2. So we'll get x. X is what? 9 minus 4 root 5. We need to find x squared. We need to square this one. So here we should use a minus b the whole square formula. That is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So the final answer becomes 161 minus 72 root 5. Okay, then in the same way we need to find out y squared. Okay, first we should rationalize and then we'll get the answer 9 plus 4 root 5. Then we need to square that one because they asked y squared. So 9 plus 4 root 5 the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square, which equals to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay, then already we got x and y. So this is xy we need to find. So we have to write x is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5. Y is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. We need to multiply this one. We'll get the answer 1. Then fourth sum x squared plus y squared plus 6y. Already we know x squared. What is x squared? What is y squared? What is xy? Xy is nothing but 1. So we need to substitute that one. The final answer what will get us 3 to 3. Okay, seventh sum. If m is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 and n is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2, find m squared and mn. Like last sum, we need to do this also. First, we need to rationalize the m. Okay. For that, we have taken 3 plus 2 root 2 and the answer what we'll get is 3 plus 2 root 2. Then n also we need to rationalize that one. Okay, 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so the answer what we will get is 17 minus 12 root 2. Now we need to find out the mn. Already we know the value of m. We know the value of n. Just we need to substitute. Then we'll get the answer. We'll get 1. The answer is 1. Then eighth sum. If x is equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, find 1 by x, then x plus 1 by x, then x plus 1 by x the whole square. Okay, they have given 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. So 1 by 6, 1 by x is nothing but 1 by 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. But here we need to rationalize that one. So we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 by 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. So the answer will be root 3 minus root 2 by 2. The next one, what we need to find, x plus 1 by x. So x value already we know, this is x value, that is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, and 1 by x is nothing but root 3 minus root 2 by 2. Okay, we need to substitute and we have to do the calculation. So the answer becomes 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 by 2. Okay, third one is x plus 1 by x the whole square. Nothing but both the side x plus 1 by x, already we know the answer. So we should write x plus 1 by x the whole square. Here just I forgot to forgot to write the square. X plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 5 plus root 3 plus 3 root 2 by 2 the whole square. So the answer will be 93 plus 30 root 6 by 4. We will see the ninth sum. If x is equal to 1 minus root 2, find the value of x minus 1 by x the whole cube. Okay. So first what we need to find, 1 by x. 1 by x is nothing but 1 by 1 minus root 2. We need to rationalize this one. Okay. So we'll get minus within the bracket 1 plus root 2. Okay. Then we need to find x minus 1 by x the whole cube. So we should square on both the sides. Sorry, we should cube both the sides. Okay. So the answer will be 8. The answer will be 8. Because already we know that x minus 1 by x value is 2. So if we cube that value, 2 cube, we'll get 8. 10th sum, if x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6, find x squared plus 1 by x squared. So x they have given, we need to first find out the 1 by x. That means 1 by x we need to write and we should rationalize that one. Then we should find out x plus 1 by x. 1 by x will be 5 plus 2 root 6. X plus 1 by x. We need to find out. We should square both the sides. So the answer will be 98. 11th sum, show that some terms they have given. 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 by root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 2 is equal to 5. We need to prove is equal to 5. So what I have done, I have taken each term separately and I rationalized that one. Okay, then I have written that is the first term, second term, third term, like that. Then after that, we need to substitute the values. If you do the calculation, we'll get 5. Hence proved. Then rationalize these 12 summers, rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. Here actually three three terms are there, three numbers. So what we need to do, we have to take root 3 minus root 2 as a single term plus 1. Okay. So if we take like that, root 3 minus root 2 is a single term. I mean it is A plus 1. 1 is B. So we need to rationalize this one. No? For that we have to take the opposite sign. So root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. Instead of this plus, we have written minus 1 by root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. So the answer will be root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 by root 4 minus 2 root 6. But here what we need to do, again we need to rationalize this one. Okay, so again we need to rationalize. So what we should do, uh, we have to take 4 plus 2 root 6, and we should get it multiplied by the numerator and denominator. Then the answer will be, you will get the answer like this: 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 2 plus root 18 minus root 12 minus root 6. If further we simplify that one, we'll get the answer minus 1 by 4 root 2 minus root 6 minus 2. Then 13th sum, if root 2 is equal to 1.4 and root 3 is equal to 1.7, find the values of each of the following. Okay, so as usual we need to rationalize and then we need to substitute the value. Instead of root 2 we have substituted 1.4. Instead of root 3 just I placed 1.7. Okay, so the answer will be 3.1. Okay, here this is 1.7. Okay, then second sum also we need to rationalize and we should substitute the values. We'll get 0.2. Then third sum also in the same way we need to rationalize and we have to substitute. We'll get the answer 0.176. Okay, but here I have shown you okay, sorry, this part is wrong. Okay, this part is wrong. First we need to do 2 minus root 3 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Okay, we will get the answer. There we can directly substitute the value. So the final answer becomes 1.33. 14th sum, evaluate. That is 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 plus 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. We need to rationalize the denominator. So each term should be rationalized and then the addition should have to be done. So 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. The answer will be 21 minus 8 root 5 by 11. Then 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5 into 4 plus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. The answer will be 21 plus 8 root 5 by 11. So the final answer will be 42 by 11. Okay. Then 15th one, they have given 2 if 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5 is equal to x, and 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5 is equal to y. Find the value of x squared minus y squared. We need to find out the value of x squared minus y squared. So first we should rationalize each term separately, or like this also you can do it in the same single sentence also. Okay, 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5 by 2 plus root 5. So what we will get? 9 plus 4 root 5 by minus 1. Then again y is equal to 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5 into 2 minus root 5 by 2 minus root 5. So the answer what we'll get is 9 minus 4 root 5 by minus 1. So x square and y square we need to find out. For that we should apply the formula, that is a minus b the whole square and 1a plus b the whole square. So we know a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So finally we need to find out x squared minus y squared. So if we substitute the answers, okay, we'll get 144 root. The sum is, the first one is 3 by root 5. Here they have given in the denominator root 5. So we need to rationalize this 5. For okay, that, that's it. What we need to do, we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator with root 5. Thank you. By root 5. Okay, with root 5. So the answer will be 3 into root 5, 3 root 5. Root 5 into root 5, we know that 5. Okay. The second sum is in the same way 2 root 3 by root 5. So again the numerator and denominator should get multiplied by root 5. Okay, the answer will be 2 root 15 by 5. Third sum is 1 by root 3 minus root 2. Here in the denominator two terms are there, root 3 minus root 2. Okay, so we need to take exactly the opposite sign, that is root 3 plus root 2, and with that the numerator and denominator should get multiplied. Okay, so we'll get numerator will become root 3 plus root 2, denominator root 3 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. Okay, so root 3 the whole square will get, answer will be 3. Root 2 the whole square, answer will be 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So the final answer is root 3 plus root 2. Then fourth sum is 3 by root 5 plus root 2. Here also they have given plus sign. So we need to take exactly the opposite sign. So the numerator and denominator should get multiplied with root 5 minus root 2. Okay. So the answer will be root 5 minus root 2. Okay. Sum is 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. Okay. Here also we are taking the opposite sign. So the numerator and denominator will get multiplied by 2 minus root 3. Okay. So the answer will be 2 minus root 3 the whole square. Here we are applying the formula a minus b the whole square. That is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Okay. Down already it is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So this one is a squared minus b squared. So the final answer will be 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay. In the same way, we need to do the sixth sum also. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So the numerator becomes root 3 plus 1 the whole square. Denominator becomes root 3 the whole square minus 1 the whole square. Okay. So in the numerator, we need to apply the formula a plus b the whole square. So the answer will be 2 plus root 3. Okay. Then seventh sum also same thing. Root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. So the numerator and denominator should get multiplied by root 3 minus root 2. So the numerator becomes root 3 minus root 2 the whole square, that is a minus b the whole square. The answer will be a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Then denominator is already in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we need to apply the formula a squared minus b squared. Okay, so we'll get the answer 5 minus 2 root 6. Seventh sum also in the same way we need to do. Ninth, what happened? They have given 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Okay, we need to take the opposite sign. So we need to multiply numerator and denominator with 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Okay, while applying the formula, finally the answer what we get, no, 19 plus 6 root 10. Now we'll see the fourth sum. Fourth sum, what they have given, find the values of a and b in each of the following. We need to find the values of a and b. The first sum is 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So first we need to rationalize. For that we should take 2 plus root 3. So the numerator and denominator should get multiplied by 2 plus root 3. Okay, the answer what we get is 7 plus 4 root 3. See, it is in the form of a plus b the root 3. So a is equal to 7, b is equal to 4. Okay, in the same way, second sum also, root 7 minus 2 by root 7 plus 2, then it should get multiplied. To rationalize, first it should get multiplied with root 7 minus 2 by root 7 minus 2. So we need to apply the formula, a minus b the whole square, that is one formula. For denominator, a squared minus b squared we need to apply. So the answer what we are getting is minus 4 root 7 by 3 plus 11 by 3. Okay, here, so now it is it is in the same form of a root 7 plus b. So a, what is a here? Minus 4 by 3 is a, b is 11 by 3. Okay, third sum is 3 by root 3 minus root 2. In the same way we need to do. So the answer what we are getting here is 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so root 3 it is in the form of a root 3 minus b root 2. So what is a here? 3. B minus 3. Okay. Then fourth sum, 5 plus 3 root 2 by 5 minus 3 root 2. Okay, here also we need to find out a and b value. They have given is equal to a plus b root 2. So first we need to rationalize, we need to apply the formula, and finally the answer what we are getting is 43 plus 30 root 2 by 7. So we need to write it separately. 43 by 7 plus 30 root 2 by 7. Okay, it is in the form of a plus b root 2. So here a is 43 by 7, b is 30 by 7. Fifth sum, 22 by 2 root 3 plus 1. Okay, plus 17 by 2 root 3 minus 1. Okay, here what we need to do before adding these two terms, first we need to rationalize each term, then we should do the addition. So for that, 22 by root 3 plus 1 into the opposite sign we need to take, no? So 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3 minus 1 plus 17 by 2 root 3 minus 1. Here we need to take the opposite sign. So 2 root 3 plus 1, 2 root 3 plus 1. As I said earlier, we should apply the formula. Okay, so finally the answer what we are getting is 78 root 3 minus 5 by 11. Okay, second sum also in the same way we need to do root 2 by root 6 minus root 2 minus root 3 by root 6 plus root 2. Okay, we need to rationalize each term first, then we need to do the subtraction. Okay, so and the answer will get us 2 root 3 plus 2 minus 3 root 2 plus root 6 divided by 4. Okay, now the sixth sum is if x is equal to root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 and y is equal to root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2. We need to find x squared, y squared, xy and x squared plus y squared plus xy. Before finding out the x square, first we need to rationalize that term. Then the answer what we are getting now, we need to square that one. That, that's what I did here. So here in the denominator, the sign is root 5 plus 2. So I have taken the opposite sign, root 5 minus 2 by root 5 minus 2. Okay. So the x, what I'm getting, x is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5. Now x squared we need to find. No, we need to square this term. So the answer will be 161 minus 72 root 5. Okay, say y squared also in the same way we have to do. Okay, only the sign is different, isn't it? So what we will get 161 plus 72 root 5. Okay, xy already we know x is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5, y is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. We need to multiply both the terms. It is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. Sorry, a plus b into a minus b. So we need to apply the formula, that is a squared minus b squared. So the final answer will be 1. Okay. Then fourth one is x squared plus y squared plus xy. We know what is the answer for x squared. Then what is y squared also we know. Xy also we know because already we did. Just we need to substitute all the answers and we need to do the calculation, addition. Okay. So the answer will be 323. Okay, seventh sum is if m is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 and n is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2, find m square, n square, mn. Okay, as I said earlier, before finding out the m square, we need to rationalize the terms. We need to rationalize m separately and we need to rationalize n separately. Okay, so m what we are getting 3 plus 2 root 2. So m squared, we need to square the answer. M squared will be 17 plus 12 root 2. Okay. Then n also in the same way we need to do. The answer will be 17 minus 12 root 2. Okay. Then third one is m into n. So what the answer we got no? But m you should not. It is not. You should not take m square. See, I did the mistake. Then after that I have taken m because m into n. So m into n we need to do, that is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So is equal to a squared minus b squared. We apply the formula. The answer will be 1. Eighth sum, x is equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Find 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x the whole square. Okay. X is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 root 2. So 1 by x, 1 by 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. So first we need to rationalize this one. For that what we get, that 1 by x is equal to root 3 minus root 2 by 2. Okay. So we got the 1 by x. The first one is, sorry, the first sum is 1 by x we need to find out. We found that root 3 minus root 2 by 2. Okay, second one, x plus 1 by x. X already we know x is equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 and plus this 1 by x also we know 2 root 3 minus root 2 by 2. Okay, so the answer will be 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 by 2. Third sum, we need to find out x plus 1 by x the whole square. Okay, already we know that x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 by 2. Okay, so we need to square x plus 1 by x the whole square. This side also we need to square that one. So the final answer will be 93 plus 30 root 6 by 4. Here that is 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So the answer will be a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay, we'll see the ninth sum. In ninth sum, what they have given, if x is equal to 1 minus root 2, find the value of x minus 1 by x the whole cube. Okay, x is equal to 1 minus root 2. We need to find 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 1 minus root 2. We need to rationalize that one. So that the numerator and denominator will get multiplied with 1 plus root 2 divided by 1 plus root 2. So the answer will be minus we have taken it outside within the bracket 1 plus root 2. Okay, now we need to, this is 1 by x. Okay, this is 1 by x. So what they have asked, x minus 1 by x the whole cube. So just we should write x minus 1 by x the whole cube is equal to, we know this one is the x 1 by x. So we should write the x value, that is 1 minus root 2 minus then 1 plus root 2 the whole cube. We should um, apply a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube formula. So the answer what we'll get is 8. Okay, 10th sum is x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Find x square plus y square. Again we should do it in the same way as I said earlier. X is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. 1 by x we need to find out. Okay, 1 by x what we are getting, 5 plus 2 root 6. So x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to this term. X minus 2 root 6 plus, sorry, not x, 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 5 plus 2 root 6 the whole square. We need to apply the formula. The final answer what we get is 98. Okay. 11th one, show that 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 by root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 2 is equal to 5. For your convenience, I rationalized all the terms, one, two, three, four, five terms separately. Okay, that's why I have written first, second term, third, fourth, fifth. Then finally you have to take all the answers and you need to do the calculation, whether it is addition or subtraction, the answer will be 5. So we prove. Okay. 12th one, rationalize the denominator. Again the same thing, rationalize the denominator 1 by root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. Okay, here there are three terms, no? So what we need to do, root 3 minus root 2, we will take it as A. Okay, plus 1, we will take it as B. If you, in the same way, if you apply the formula, okay, what we'll get, root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 root 6. But here the question is rationalize the denominator. So again we need to rationalize this one, because again we are getting previously there were three terms. Okay, now there are two terms. So again we need to rationalize this one. The answer what we'll get is minus 1 by 4 bracket root 2 minus root 6 minus 2. Okay, then we'll see the 13th sum. 13th sum, if root 2 is equal to 1.4 and root 3 is equal to 1.7, find the value of each of the following correct to one decimal place. They have given the value of root 2 and root 3. Okay, we need to find the answer. The answer should get corrected with one decimal place. Okay, so 1 by, the question is 1 by root 3 minus root 2. First we need to rationalize. Okay, so what we'll get, root 3 plus root 2. If we apply the values, we'll get 3.1. Okay, second one also in the same way. First we need to rationalize and we need to apply the values of root 3 and root 2. The answer what we'll get is 0.2. Okay, third sum also in the same way. First here only in the denominator they have given only root 3. So we should multiply both the numerator and denominator with root 3. Okay, that is for rationalization. Then we need to apply the value of root 2 and root 3. The answer will be 0.176. Okay, but I have written here this is wrong. Okay, for your understanding, just I did this one because denominator is an irrational number. Okay, so we need to do, we need to rationalize and directly we should apply the value. Okay, 14th one, evaluate 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 plus 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. Okay, we need to rationalize each term. Okay, so first we need to take 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. Okay, we need to rationalize. This is the first term. Then second term also we need to rationalize. Then we need to write the answers in that place. I mean in respective places. Then we need to do the addition. The answer will be 42 by 11. Okay, 15th one is if 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5 is equal to x and 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5 is equal to 5. Find the value of x squared minus y squared. Okay, so again we need to rationalize x term, then we need to rationalize y term. Okay, then after that we need to apply the formula x squared minus y squared. We know x squared minus y squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So the final answer will, what we are getting, no, 144. Okay, is it clear? Okay, we'll go to the next chapter. Sorry, next exercise. Thank you.